Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease bets in Slotomania game. Slotomania is a popular slot machine game that offers a fun and interactive casino experiences right on your mobile device or desktop. So, one of the key features that enhances your gameplay is adjusting your bet amount. Launch open Slotomania game on a device, and once you're inside this main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on any game from the slot menu. After finding one of the game from the slot menu, go ahead and get to the slot machine page. Now, from this page, you'll need to go to the bottom left where you'll see the total bet option. Tap the plus button right next to total bet to increase the bet amount. Each tap will raise your bet by a preset increment. Pay attention to the maximum bet limit for that specific slot, which is usually indicated next to the bet control. In order to decrease your bet, tap the minus button at the bottom left, and this will lower your bet by a preset amount. This will allow you to play more spins with fewer coins. Be mindful of the minimum bet allowed for that slot game. After you do that, once you've adjusted your bet to your desired level, tap on spin button at the bottom right to start playing. Your adjusted bet will apply to that spin, influencing potential winnings and payouts. Remember, you can increase or decrease your bet anytime between spins to match your strategy, budget, or gaming style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.